This is going to be a make money online tutorial with affiliate marketing using the power of artificial intelligence. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. The cool thing about this method is that you don't need to create a website, you just need to do simple things every day. The first step is to go to ClickBank Marketplace to find a product to promote. And we're going to click on all categories and we're going to choose self-help. And then we're going to click on motivational transformational. And as you can see, we have 43 products on this category. It's important to do your own research before promoting a product. A good recommendation is to promote products that gives value to other people. For this video, I'm going to choose this product 369 manifestation code. They pay $22 per conversion. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on promote and then create hub link. And this is the link that I'm going to promote. And if someone buys through this link, I can make a commission. The sales page of this product is about how we can manifest wealth and abundance. The next step is to go to Bizla because we're going to create a video to drive traffic to the link. We're going to choose idea and then describe the video we want to create. For this video, it's going to be create a 3-minute video talking about how we can manifest wealth. The next step is to click on generate video. I have ready the video and I'm going to click on export. And I'm going to choose regenerate with free stock. This is the video and then you need to click on these 3 dots to download it. The next step is to go to ChatGPT and ask for 5 headlines for a YouTube title with the keyword manifesting wealth. I have the titles and I'm going to choose the last one. And I'm going to name the file of the video with that keyword. What we're going to do right now is that we're going to upload that video on YouTube. I'm going to copy my affiliate link. I'm going to paste the keyword in the first paragraph and I have my affiliate link here. Then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube description for the last title. I'm going to copy this description and paste it here. The next step is to publish the video. And it's important for you to know that the more videos you create, the more traffic you are going to send to your affiliate link. Now, the problem with this strategy is that you are not building your own email list. And if you want to have a long-term affiliate marketing business, you need to collect leads. That's why I recorded this training how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners, in which you'll learn how to properly set up a 24/7 sales system to promote high-ticket products and make commissions. And if you want to learn the system I use to make commissions online, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.